Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok app. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch a TikTok first. First thing, when you're on TikTok, you want to scroll to a person or account that you want to block. Let's say for example you want to block this account over here, Grant Cardone, right? You want to click on the profile. You want to go on the top right corner and you want to click on the arrow, okay? When you click on the arrow, you will have three menus, one, second, third menu. Well, the third menu over here, you will have the second option, which is block this account. When you click block, you get notified by TikTok that after you block Grant Cardone, in this example over here, he will not be able to send you messages, to see your posts, or to find your profile. This simply means that if you have, a beef with someone and he's coming on your profile, commenting, harassing you and your profile and your content, if you block them, they're not going to be able to message anymore. They're not going to be able to comment on your profile. They're not going to be able to see your content. The main issue with this, guys, I want to warn you, is that this doesn't include special scenarios in which if you are part of the multi-host live stream, for example, somebody else is doing live stream and you join the live stream, and for example, Grant Cardone is in the live stream, he's still gonna see me even though if I blocked him, okay? So even if he's blocked, if I'm part of the third party live stream, he's gonna see me. Also, if somebody actually creates a duet and they publish the duet on their own channel, not me publishing, them publishing the duet, I still gonna be seen by Grant Cardone if the other account didn't block him as well. Also very important is that if you're part of the group chats, right? And if you message in the group chat, if you run a conversation in the group chat, other people will see you, and Grant Cardone will see me as well, because the group chat was initiated by somebody else that didn't block him. So these are the couple of exclusions in which blocking account on TikTok doesn't work, but in any other scenario, you can hide your content and you can prevent them from commenting on your content as well. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.